Today I am preparing a chicken ballotine, a dish that is elegant, comforting and built entirely around respect for the ingredient. I always start with the chicken itself. When you break down a chicken properly, nothing is wasted. The legs, small pieces, everything has a purpose. The breast will form the outside of the ballotine, while the leg meat and cut off becomes the filling. I am removing the skin of the chicken entirely. This I will be using later to wrap up the ballotine. This will help to keep the chicken juicy. Then I removed the two chicken breasts with the help of a fillet knife. If you don't have a fillet knife, you can also use a chef knife for this purpose. I cut the chicken breast in two. Later, I will be flattening it so that I can use it for the filling. For the filling, I finely chopped the chicken leg meat and the smaller pieces from the butchering. I added everything into the blender, seasoned with salt and pepper, and blend into a fine paste. Then I added a bit of heavy cream to bring everything together. I also added a teaspoon of truffle pasta, a unique flavor that I want in my ballotine. Welcome once again to Klavertje Kitchen, here with Chef Vivian. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Thank you. I lay the chicken breast on the plastic foil and then season with pepper and salt. Then cover with another plastic foil. This will help me to flatten the chicken very thin. The filling is placed carefully in the center. Rolling is done slowly, firmly, but without pressure. This is about control, not force. Please share this video with your friends and family or to whom it may be useful, because this helps the algorithm to show this video to more people on YouTube. Thank you. Leave all questions in the comments below and I will be very glad to answer them all. So, like I said before, I am just taking my time to make sure that the ballotine is well sealed. As you see here with the skin of the chicken, this will keep the moisture inside the ballotine. Once rolled, the ballotine should feel compact, even and balanced from end to end. This step defines the final shape of the dish. Then placed in the refrigerator for 4 hours before cooking. Now we move to the sauce. I started by peeling some onions and just chopping them in big chunks. I'm going to saute the onions and then add the pieces of the chicken bones to the onions. I also added 2 cloves of garlic for more flavors. Color equals flavor, but bitterness is the enemy, so keep control. It should not burn, but it should receive a brown color because this will bring out the flavor from the chicken bones. Added some bay leaves, thyme, and pepper balls. Once roasted, they are deglazed and slowly reduced to a delicious juice. I use green cabbage. It's often underestimated, but when treated correctly, it becomes smooth, sweet, and comforting. I sliced and washed the cabbage to remove all sands. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chef Vivian. My aim here is to share with you my love, passion, and knowledge about French Belgium cuisine and fine dining in general. I blanched the green cabbage for about 3 minutes just to remove the earthy flavor from the cabbage. The ballotine is ready for cooking, so I will start by removing the plastic foil around it. Be careful at this point not to unravel the sealing. I am tying the ballotine with a rope. This will keep the shape intact during sealing. Just be gentle and take it step by step until you go round with the rope. If you enjoy refined cooking and classic technique, feel free to subscribe. Now I have secured the ballotine and I am sure everything will stay intact during sealing. You can fill the ballotine with any flavor of your choice. You can use mushrooms, you can use leek, you can use onions, you can use a lot of flavors in ballotine. So it doesn't have to be truthful. Let me know in the comments below if there is any other recipe you would like me to make a video about, and I will be very glad to do this. Now I'm just adding some fat to my pan and I will allow the fat to be a little bit brownish, and then I will seal the ballotine gently side by side. Meat should always be cooked on a high heat. This prevents the meat from steaming and also help to give that beautiful brown color to the meat, which keep the meat juicy. Then the ballotine is transferred into the oven for about 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. Added some fat to my pan and then the green cabbage and saute it until tender. Also added some heavy cream, salt and pepper to bring this delicious flavor to life. Then transfer it into a blender and blend it smooth into a delicious puree. Voila! Here is my delicious cabbage puree. I am sure it tastes really good. I washed and peeled the young cabbage gently. The young cabbage are cooked slowly in butter over low to medium heat. Just gentle heat, allowing their natural sweetness to come forward. Season slightly. They should be tender, glossy and vibrant. Nothing more is needed. I turn the carrot while sauteing them. This helps them cook evenly. Fine dining made easy at home using simple ingredients you can find around you. Carrots, cabbage, chicken. Just look at this delicious glossy sauce made using the chicken bones. The sauce is now ready and the ballotine is well rested. So let me take you through the process of plating this fine dining dish. End result. Chicken is crispy from outside and really juicy from inside. This is what you want. Presentation is one of those things that take your food from one level to the next. So stay tuned to see how I present this delicious fine dining ballotine on the plate. Watch the next video on the screen or check out my channel to help you cook that fine, delicious, fine dining meals in the comfort of your own home using simple ingredients you can find around you.